Welcome to our channel. After an adventurous day in Soufriere yesterday, our spirit of exploration takes us to another thrilling escapade. Undeterred by the torrential rain, we journey through the lush mountainside, where nature's mysteries wraps every turn. After a 2-hour journey through torrential rains, we are back to our home away from home, into the welcoming embrace of Bay Gardens Hotel. The rain may have challenged us, but it only heightened our anticipation for the rainforest adventure that awaits us tomorrow. Join us as we take a walk of the hotel grounds before delving into the heart of St. Lucia's rainforest adventure. Bay Gardens Hotel exudes a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The architecture seamlessly blends with nature. The open-air design allows the cool Caribbean breeze to flow through, and the soothing sound of the fountains creates a sense of tranquility. The inviting pool, a crystal-clear oasis amid the tropical beauty. With poolside loungers, perfect spot to bask in the sun, relishing in the peaceful ambiance. The true beauty of Bay Gardens Hotel lies not in its physical surroundings, but in the warmth of the people. The staff welcomes us like old friends, with a bright smile ensuring every aspect of our stay is nothing short of perfection.
Let me share a
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. We got a sign over our life. Yep. Two papers?
No, just there. Here. One there, her and you.
Okay.
Welcome to Rainforest Adventure St. Lucia, a paradise for thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike.
Yep. Me? Hello. Good morning. Any better? Yep. Huh?
We'll journey through the heart of the rainforest, where the adrenaline-pumping Canopy ziplining experience awaits us, to soar through the treetops, immersing ourselves in the beauty and majesty of nature's wonderland.
No, it's not. No.
The rainforest welcomes us with open arms, immersing us in its lush embrace. The canopy above filters the sunlight, casting a soothing green hue on everything around us.
Ready? What are you trying to? See what's in the rainforest. And this famous tree.
These giants have witnessed centuries of growth, sheltering countless species beneath their branches.
Basically, the lighter tree on the outside is called a ficus triangle. So eventually, the tree on the inside is called a black rock. So eventually, the tree on the is a vine. the vine is going to strangle the tree on the inside. The tree on the inside is going to die, and this is going to become like the Eiffel Tower all on the inside, and it's going to fuse itself and become one secondary tree. The process takes up to like 300 years. So yeah, it's like a marriage of two.
They're married for life.
As we gaze up at their towering forms, we are humbled by the grandeur.
Oh my God.
As we venture deeper into the rainforest, a sense of excitement fills the air, embraced by Mother Nature herself. Every step reveals a new wonder, a symphony of birds singing, the whisper of leaves, and the scent of earth.
Guys up from the waterfront. One of the vistas provides water to
The country.
community that's here. This is one of 8 water catchments. This area is protected. This area is protected for over 100 years now. Since 1916.
Oh, she loves it. Yeah, it's twisted, no?
The moment we've been eagerly awaiting arrives as we reach the first zipline platform.
My name is Jamida, and this is Destiny. Very good call, sir. Like to call. Right? And you will also call me Kevin. Jamida is really long, so you could just call me Kevin. If you want, you call me anyone.
Jamida.
So, here at Rainforest Adventures, safety our #1 priority. So if you feel any discomfort in your guests, you come to me or her, we do the necessary adjustments, okay? Here are the person. Alright? So, here on this two galvanized steel cables, we're going to be keeping your free time. It's called the triple redundancy system. Okay? So we're going to need once, twice, 3 times the backup, right? So if this goes, you got this. If this side's not work today, you got your backup. If this goes, just say, God, I'm coming. Alright? But you never get to use this. Listen. So yeah, just do one with me. So after you've done this, guys, this suit will made by Anglo women. So you put your family jewels in the right compartment, or you can want it's going to change all the way on the other. Okay? After that, you sit in an aerodynamic posture. Ladies, you were made perfect, so they say. So you just sit in an aerodynamic posture, you bend your legs at the ankles, step to one of your bum, that's what any squeeze on the side. Lean back into your chest harness. The equipment makes the tilting noise, you don't want that. Don't worry about stopping yourself. You stop here on the other side. Hopefully, you don't stop in the tree road, okay? But hopefully we'll stop. When we stop here, the aluminum grip attached to the top cable. One of us is going to be on the other side. We're going to apply tension to it. It's going to come into contact with the top cable. Probably has to lean back. Close to this. You're going to get a nose job. It's not going to be a nice one, it's going to be a not professional, okay? So, okay. Use that as an indication. And cross your legs and raise your feet. There's a level 1 bench on every platform. So you raise your feet, you land on the bench. Yeah, don't go bumping into the bench or tapping the bench. It's a wall you're going to lose every time, okay? Almost be okay with injuries, people bumping the shins into the bench. We don't want that today. Paperwork is long and boring compared to sitting, okay? We don't want that, okay? When we come to the complete stop, you're going to let go of your sling or your tuba, hang onto the bottom cable, and pull yourself up to stand. Belly button to belly button. Upward eye contact, okay? Just for an hour. Any questions? Go ahead and have more fun than you. You want to go first?
Oh my! Are you serious?
With our safety gear securely fastened, we step off the edge and take flight through the canopy.
Woo!
first time?
Yes.
Come closer. Okay, you'll be okay. It's okay. You're looking.
I am.
Do that.
I am actually.
Okay, sit.
I don't need to hold
Yeah,
anything,
hold on,
just
yes,
this.
yes,
Whoa. Yeah. When you're ready, yeah. Woohoo. Hold on to that cable. Hold on to that cable.
It's only 8 feet, so
The sensation of gliding above the treetops is exhilarating, and to be honest, a little frightening. We feel like birds in flight, taking in breathtaking panoramas of the rainforest below.
You're gonna have to push me. You're gonna have to push me. She's taking her. That was 10 bucks. Push. Yep.
As we zip from one platform to another, we are treated to a unique perspective of the rainforest's vibrant ecosystem. Surrounded by the sounds of the rainforest, we relish the opportunity to connect with this enchanting world.
Ooh, she flies. Okay, okay. All right.
Between each zip line, we find moments of serenity.
Babuno is, the meaning of Babuno is rich of good drinking water. So this area has a lot of water.
The thrill of ziplining was surpassed only by the sense of wonder and appreciation for this natural treasure. As we reach the final zip line, which is the longest and highest of them all, the anticipation grew.
Yeah, but that edge.
As we leave the rainforest
Did he hook me
behind,
up?
we carry the memories of this adventure with us. Join us for more as we continue to explore on this captivating journey, discovering the magic that awaits while sharing the joys of our world with you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.